Welcome everyone to today's episode. Today we are going to explore the use of LinkedIn professionally. During our last episode, I promised that I'm going to guide you on how you can create a professional LinkedIn account. But before that, let's discuss why LinkedIn. What is the importance of having a LinkedIn account? This LinkedIn account is one of the largest professional network in the world that you can find. All professionals you may think of, they have an account in LinkedIn. And why they do have that account? There are key issues or areas of why they do have account. Today I'm going to discuss about 4 key important areas why you need to have a LinkedIn account as a professional. First and foremost is visibility. If you want to be visible, you want people to find information about you. You are a professional, you've been working, you have been attending programs, you've done a lot of projects. LinkedIn is an environment, a platform whereby it can bring all those what you've been working on visible. Let's take example. When you're talking about visibility, let's take this example. Let me search for myself. Okay. Or let me just go to Google search directly. If I type in my name on Google search, what I will see first is LinkedIn account. I mean LinkedIn page. It means if I click on this, or anyone that searches my name on the search engine will be able to have this result. You have my account, what I've been working on, where I work, university I'm currently pursuing an academic degree or professional course, as well as when you go down, you can see other things that I've been working on. Also, when you go down, you can see working experience. Somebody participated or worked on. So it means this LinkedIn is a platform that will bring out what you are doing visible to the world. Whatever experience you gain, you can come down to the LinkedIn and add it as part of your experience. That's one. Now, if you take another search engine, let's say Bing, and I search for my name, okay, you should be able to see that the result coming out from Bing search engine, when I search my name, you can see it first of all tell you that this is this person. And this is other academic research that was done by this person, and a lot. So what we are saying is LinkedIn make you visible. By simple search, you can be able to tell story about yourself. It means that you're not going to allow somebody to tell story about what you're doing, but you tell the story by yourself. You tell people what you've been working on, the company you've been working on, project you've done, and a lot more. Similarly, like Bing, you can be able to do more extra search. I can ask Bing with help of AI. I can ask where is he working now? Okay. When I do that and I hit enter, Bing with help of the Copilot will be able to gather a lot of informations from the internet based on what is on my LinkedIn. I can ask so much questions. What experience? You can ask a lot of information, okay? With you having a simple LinkedIn account, so it means the LinkedIn will make you visible, will open up a kind of window whereby people from the comfort of their home, they can be able to do a background research about you, what you've been working on, like I mentioned earlier. Then the second part, when you're talking about LinkedIn, is credibility. If you want to find a credible information with skills, accomplishment by a professional, the trusted platform that you can be able to get that is through LinkedIn. Let's take these examples. In WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, you cannot be able to add all this sort of information. It means that LinkedIn can give you that privilege where you can be able to add all these informations for industries, for individual to be able to find more details about you, a credible information. The second part is networking. LinkedIn is a platform that helps you and connect with a lot of professionals that are doing the same work you've been working on, that are doing the same projects. LinkedIn can also sometimes suggest that, that this person, based on our algorithm, this person you study together with him. So you can be able to connect and create a very strong network with people around the globe. Other part around LinkedIn is job hunting. You don't have to struggle when you're talking about how you can be able to get job. Here, this is my LinkedIn account. When I click on jobs, I should be able to see a list of jobs that are available. I'll click more. Based on my LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn is suggesting a lot of jobs for me. Information Technology Manager, Chief Technology Officer, Co-founder, CTO. Based on the profile you crafted, LinkedIn will use their algorithm and suggest work, jobs that are available. This one is posted 13 hours ago. Another one day ago, 6 hours ago. You can see latest jobs that are available that are in line with your profession. It means you don't have to struggle. Get the educational qualification, know what you are looking for, be able to craft, design your account to fit into what you are doing. Because it's an algorithm, it's a computer code that look at the information you've added. Based on that, it can be able to suggest jobs for you. And also not only that, you can be able to search any jobs, any job you want. Let's say technician, okay? Maybe technician pharmacy, okay? Technical engineer, a lot of jobs are there. I will do a search and I should be able to have a lot of jobs related to that. So it means this LinkedIn helps you in terms of job hunting. Many companies use LinkedIn to post jobs. It means when you have a very strong profile on LinkedIn, a lot of company will be contacting you. You will not be the one to contact the company. If you don't want to do the search, companies, job recruiters will be looking at your profile. Let me show you how this works. If I go back to my LinkedIn account, LinkedIn now are telling me that 73 profile view. That means a lot of people were viewing my profiles, and also other 51 people have been, kind of try to search out who is this guy, what is he doing. So it means companies will find out about what you are doing based on your profile. So before we dive into creating the account on LinkedIn, There are important things that we need to put in mind. When a company or job recruiters come to your LinkedIn account, by hitting the front page of your profile, they should be able to know what you are doing. Look at it. PhD researcher, integrating AI into medical imaging for enhancing clinical results. That's one area. Then secondly, IT and data engineering expert, IT strategist, tech for education, head of department, IT at Bayes University, advocate, tech for everything. It means you need to tell viewers, you need to tell recruiters that, okay, this is what I do. Glancing to this will give job recruiters a quick overview that, okay, this guy, this is what he's doing. Okay, and this is where he's currently working at. Then coming down, there are about. Your about should be a very precise, very brief. It will tell people what you are doing, your skills. Look at it. This guy is a software engineer who can be able to develop a cloud solution and host it on Azure, host it on GCP, host it on AWS, and he can write computer program with Python. He can use React. He can use Docker in terms of Dockerizing different solutions. He can use CI/CD, and also he can be able to manage projects. He can be able to develop a strategy, a framework for you if you have an IT business or IT company. And also, so these are details that you need to tell people this is what you are doing. Briefly can give an insight about what you are doing. Going down, every activities, if you attend a conference or you started a course, I started a course I think a day or 2 days ago on video editing, so I put it here. So I'm telling people whatever I'm doing. Also some 4 days ago, I started another course, I think on Udemy, where I was taking course on agriculture 4.0. I started another course, put on agriculture. Okay, I started another course on video editing. So you need to tell people what you're doing. This will give them a glance of what this guy is doing. Then coming down to the other part is educational background as well as your experience. Look at the experience. Current experience or current job is head of information technology at the, you need to tell us where is the company, okay? Then you can also be able to list down what you are doing in that position. That will give recruiters a good understanding that, oh, this guy can be able to do this job for us. Then continuously, you keep on adding experience you have, continuously. Any experience you attend, any jobs experience you have, you need to add it on the LinkedIn. So when people look at it, we know that, oh, this guy can be able to do this. Whether you have 100 experience, 1,000 experience, 2 experience, don't worry. Don't worry about it. And I've seen this a lot coming down to the heading. If you're a student, don't just say student at university. No, tell people about what you're studying. Maybe if you're a law student, maybe you're a student in a university focusing on software engineering, just state it. Software engineer focusing on this and this. We don't want to know that you're a student. It doesn't matter, it's only in Nigeria that you see a student where when you're at university, your parent will be going to be paying your school fees. No, in your university, you should be able to have a very good profile where a company can be able to give you a remote job to support your education. So this is very important. Don't say that, oh, I'm just a student. Because when you do that, you see a lot of profiles stating that. You need to tell people what you're doing, okay? And even if you're a student, even if you haven't started, tell people that this is what you are doing and this is what you want to be in years to come or this to come. So that will give recruiters good understanding that this guy can be able to do this job we're proposing or we want to give, okay? Now, getting back, after that, we have educational experience or educational background. Any academic qualification you attend, you need to add it down here. You need to add the educational qualification so that when people glance into that, can be able to see that, oh, this guy had this qualification, okay? Then getting back also licenses and certification. If you attend or you have any license, like now, Cyber Threat Intelligence Basic Fundamentals, I took the course online. So if you take course online, you can be able to add, more especially platforms like Udemy and others. It means with these platforms, when you completed a course, they can be able to give you a certificate that you can add the credential. If I click here, I should be able to view the course. You see, certificate and my name. Okay. So you understand? So that is how. And also you can be able to download that certificate as PDF or as an image file. So it means somebody can be able to make a reference with this certificate I have gotten from Udemy. So getting back, you can add all the educational experience and professional certification you have attained. So it means LinkedIn is a platform or is a network environment where you can connect with a lot of professionals. You can tell people what you are doing. And one good part of this that I love is I don't have to struggle on creating CV. As long as I have all this, what I need to do if you ask me for my CV, all I need to do is to come and click on more, save as PDF. When I do this, look at what is going to happen. It will download my CV. This is a complete CV. My summary, key strategy, experience, okay, as well as, educational background, okay. Going down to educational background. So you see, educational background. So it means that you don't have to struggle on creating a CV. When you add all these informations, you can be able to generate your CV in less than a minute. So it means every professional should have a LinkedIn account for you to tell people that this is what you are doing. Like I've explained, this LinkedIn account is very, very important. It's very, very important. And like now, my profile picture need to be changed because it doesn't look corporate. Whatever you're doing on LinkedIn should look professional. It's supposed to take a very, good picture. Maybe you can even go to studio. They can work on it, edit on it, and then you put it. So that tells people that this guy is serious. Don't take a picture that you snap while you're in a beach, or don't take a picture while you are running or you are drinking. No, the picture should look professional. If you have a good suit, sit down in a studio, take a very good pictures and put it. So like I mentioned, don't copy from me. I'm going to update my picture as well. So everything you add on LinkedIn should be 100% professional. All right. So having said all this, now it is time for us to create an account for those that doesn't have the account. If I need to have an account, I'm going to create a new account. Basically, the account, I will delete it after this demo. So this is what I will do. I'll go to LinkedIn, okay? All right, okay. When you go to LinkedIn, you have two options. You can join LinkedIn with your Google account, and you can be able to just create an account. So let me try using my Google account. Okay, let me try using my Google account. So join now. Okay, when you click on it, like I mentioned, you can put your email address or even your telephone number and create the account. So it depends on what you want. But for easy and simplicity, let me just put address that you have been used for you to have your LinkedIn account. Okay, agree and move next. Okay, so I need to select my location. Nigeria, Federal Capital Territory. Recent job. So we are gonna, are you a student? No, I'm not a student. So recent job, let me see. Head of Information Technology. Okay. Employment type, full-time. Company. Okay. Okay, so you need to confirm. Email will be sent to your mailbox. So go to your mailbox and check for the code that was sent to you to confirm that you are not a robot trying to create a LinkedIn account. So I'm trying to do that. I'm heading to my email to copy the code. Okay, here I have the code. So let me bring it here. So I'll press the code. Confirm. Are you looking for a job? Yes, I'm looking for a job. If you are not looking for a job, you can put you are not looking for a job. This is all for. Then what type of jobs are you looking for? So you need to tell them the jobs that you're looking for. Let me see. Chief Technology, Chief Information Technology, Chief Technology Officer, anyone, okay, you can add another one. Head of Information Technology, okay, Project Manager. So you can add all sort of jobs you are looking for. LinkedIn will use this to suggest jobs. At any time related job to this is posted to LinkedIn, you'll be able to see it when you come to job search. Also the job location. Remote jobs, I'm open to remote jobs, so you can start Abuja, okay, Lagos, okay, UK, United Kingdom, United States, Ghana, add all the countries, all the location. And don't forget, if you want to have a remote job, you can do from home, you have to check this. Move next. Okay. They are asking you if there's any job related to this, they will send an email to you that there's available job. So click next. Okay. Next. If you want to install the LinkedIn on your mobile device, you can scan this and it will be installed. Now, these are different individuals that are working in the same place I'm working. So if I want, I can be able to connect with them. If I don't want, I can skip. Okay. So also these are the companies. These are companies that are doing a lot. So if I want to connect with them to get more insight, I can be able to connect. So I can connect with them. Okay. I can connect with them. Go next. Here we are. I have my LinkedIn account complete. Now, the next part is to work on your profile. You see, I have an empty profile. Head of Information Technology. You need to also verify your emails on where you are working. So like I mentioned earlier, here should be a details information about yourself. Details, what you are doing, not just Head of Information Technology. You can add more. Coming down, this is where you can be able to add activities. Here also you can be able to add your working experience. So if I want to add another working experience, I can click here, add position. Maybe I am postdoctorate researcher. Okay. Maybe it's a full-time. Type in the company. Like I've mentioned earlier, a lot of these companies do have their LinkedIn account. Let me see. Okay, so you see. Okay, when you add it, location. Okay, on-site or hybrid, remote. Let me set on-site. You need to specify the month and VA. Okay, so this is where you can be able to give a details informations about what you are doing. Maybe you can type in I'm responsible for developing content, this and that. You can list all sort of things, and also you can add another skills. These skills are top 5 skills that you can be able to add. So you can select from here, and also you can select from here. So I can be able to select from any one of these. Okay, management, data center. Okay, save. If you go down to my profile, you should be able to see that I have added another experience. So any experience you have, you can do that, you can add that. And the second part is education, right? We are talking of educational qualification. Maybe you have this, you have that. You can be able to add it through this environment. Okay, now we have added skills. Okay, we have added work experience. So you can add so much more. You can add so much more. Like I've said, if this experience, if these skills you have, you can add it in your LinkedIn profile. So feel free, create your account, explore all the options available. You can see the heading, like I mentioned earlier, you need to tell us more on what you are doing, okay? After that, you can update your current position. You can add educational qualification, okay? You can add your basic information. So if I want to add educational qualification, what I need to do is to click on new, and I should be able to have the university. Let me see by University Kano. Let me see bachelor degree. I'm just for the purpose of this demonstration. Let's see business and commercials, like generals. You can start the month, you can start the year, okay? End date, you started when? Let me say I've started January 2018, ended January 2024. Okay, great. This first class, second class. Okay, you can be able to start that. You can add activities, description of the course of study, save it. Okay, now when you go down, you can see I have education, and also I can be able to add more. So this is how you can be able to create your LinkedIn account. And mind you, every single information you are provided in this platform, the information should be accurate. Don't tell us a false information. Every single information should be verifiable. I urge you to do that. And also, you need to keep adding a lot of articles. People will know that, oh, this person is doing a lot. Let us connect with him, maybe to give him job, or to even work with him around other areas of his profession. In summary, LinkedIn account is one of the world's largest networking environment where you can connect with a lot of professionals in your field of expertise, and also is where you can be able to look for a job. Don't forget, when you're creating the account should look professional. Thank you.